Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is June 16th when I'm recording this, and remember we have a 3-day weekend. I think you guys will actually be seeing this after that weekend, so I hope you had a good time resting and taking some time off. But yeah, so remember, if we come over here to simplertrading.com/news/comprehensive market analysis, you guys can find the video that I made about the market update. A quick little 20-minute video kind of summarizing the market, what I'm seeing out there. Things are looking pretty good and broad-based. However, stuff is getting a little bit frothy right now. So let's be careful on the long side right this moment. Be prepared for pullbacks. That's basically what I am looking around for, and we'll see if there are going to be opportunities to pick up after that pullback. So we'll make sure that you have the description or the link in the description, and then some of the other things that I am seeing out there. Let's touch on. Let's go to GBTC, which is the ETF of Bitcoin. Now, some of you might like or not like this ETF, but you know what? What it's doing is it's painting me a picture for what I want to be talking about. And what I'm seeing is that Bitcoin has pulled back into what looks like support. And I say that because if we look at the lower time frame down in here, my goodness, wasn't this a big move? Check that out. We have big volume coming in and a big move up on the day. So Bitcoin looks like it's doing something. And if we look at the miners, we're seeing some activity, some breakouts. So Hut, Mara, keep an eye on that. You guys enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you soon. Thanks again. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.